Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Irene Heraldo Adora, 32 years old. I am a single with 3 daughters. The ages is 12 years old, 11 years old, and 3 years old. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I am a youngest of the family. My working experience is helper for 5 years. My daily routine is taking care of 3 years old boy and cooking, cleaning, car washing, cleaning the house, marketing. And other experience is 2 years helper for one employer. My daily routine is taking care of 2 years old baby girl, then cooking, cleaning, car washing, ironing, and marketing. Um, I hope, Ma'am and Sir, to my future employer, if you hired me, I am a hardworking, patient, um, loving children like my own daughter, and I am a patient, honest, happy person, good person, and I promise to my future employer I finish my 2 years contract. Have a nice day, Ma'am and Sir. God bless.